Your teacher's choice this week is irregular plural nouns. Irregular means not regular. Plural means when there's more than one, and a noun is a person, place, or thing. So these are nouns when you're using them in a sentence and there's more than one, and you don't just add S to them, because that's what we usually do. Like dog becomes dogs, cat becomes cats. Those are regular plural nouns. You just add S. So for this, it says to make a noun that ends in S, X, CH, or SH, plural, you're going to add ES to the end of the noun. And they give you an example. If you're writing about one fox, it's F-O-X, and that's one of these up here. So when you're writing about more than one, like 3 foxes, you're going to add ES to it. Okay, so let's look down here. And it says write the plural form of each word. Now all of these fit. This one ends in CH, which is right there. This one ends in S. This one ends in X. And this one ends in SH. So it says that we're going to add ES to the end of the noun. So when we write benches, we're going to write B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. All right, and so go ahead and write the plural of class, the plural of box, and the plural of wish, following this rule of ES. You can pause this while you do it. Now, the next part is that you're going to use these 4 words, benches, glasses, boxes, and wishes, to complete each sentence with the correct plural noun from above. So, the movers put all of the blank in the van. So you'll think about which one of these 4 words would make the most sense there. And you can pause this and fill that in. Number 2, the waiter dropped the tray of blank. Again, you can pause it and pick your word. Number 3, we helped paint all of the park blank. Number 4, on his birthday, Joe made 3 blank before blowing out the candles. All right, and the bottom, the right on, if you finish, let's go ahead and look at that. If you finish these 2 papers before the timer goes off, anytime, remember that you come back and you look at this. It says, would you like to visit or have you been to the beach? Write about the experience on a separate sheet of paper. So if there's extra time during Teacher's Choice, you get paper from the blue cupboard or the blue bookcase, and you write about the beach this week. There are different ones each week. So our second page of irregular plural nouns, we're still talking about plural, more than one. To make a noun that ends in a consonant Y, plural, so when you drop the Y and add IES. The example is one baby, that ends in Y. If you're writing about more than one, like 5 babies, so you've dropped the Y and changed it to IES, babies. So write the plural form of each noun. So I'll do the first one. Cherry, and of course they all end in Y because that's what we're practicing. So I'm going to write it. The rule is that I drop the Y and I add IES. All right, so I've dropped that Y. And cherry now says cherries, but it's just spelled a little differently than you might expect. Again, if you want to pause the video and fill in these as I read them, you can do that. Number 2 is berry. Number 3, lady. Number 4, daddy. Number 5, candy. Number 6, puppy. Number 7, kitty. Number 8, buddy. Number 9, injury. Number 10, piggy. Number 11, city. Number 12, family. All right, on the bottom half it says, circle the misspelled words in the paragraph. All right, so what they're asking you to do is to read this, and I will read it to you, but you're looking for words that, nouns that end in Y, but they have just added an S to it instead of changing it to IES. Like right away I see families. Oops, that's one of my words from up here. So I need to cross that off. Oh no, I'm sorry, I circle it. I don't need to correct it. I just need to circle it. All right. So families from many cities attend the county fair. At the fair, the piggies were in the pig pen. They were so cute to see. There were also 3 ladies dressed as fairies. They were selling cherry slushies and berry pies. The ladies were also selling many types of candies. The fair is a great event. So circle the words that they should have taken the Y off and added IES.